RinseWise Gen 2 Spin Mop and Bucket was sent to me as a gift, and in this video, I'm unboxing it and showing how easy it is to set it up. Starting with the unboxing, everything comes packaged neatly. Inside the box, you'll find the bucket, the mop handle pieces, the mop base, multiple microfiber mop heads, and the instruction manual. As I'm taking everything out, I show each component up close so you can get a better look at everything that's included. I really like the bucket. One feature that really stands out is the clean and dirty water separation system. Instead of repeatedly dipping the mop into dirty water, the bucket is designed to help keep the clean water separate while the dirty water is collected independently. It also features a shower-style rinse system, which rinses the mop head as you use it, along with a 1.5 gallon clean water capacity to help reduce how often you need to refill it during larger cleaning jobs. I also show the spin dry basket, which helps remove excess water from the mop head before cleaning your floors. Another nice feature is the 4 swivel wheels on the bottom of the bucket. Instead of carrying a full bucket of water from room to room, you can simply roll it along with you while you clean. The mop also has 61-inch handle, giving it plenty of reach and making it comfortable to use without bending over as much. Finally, I show the extra microfiber mop heads that are included, which is always nice to have so you can swap them out as needed. Overall, this setup process is quick and easy, and the bucket has several thoughtful features that make it stand out from a traditional spin mop.